What is up, my fellow YouTubers? This is Brendan Barney here, and today I'm going to react to another video. The video is called Boris Blows Up the Microwave / Arrested Once Again. The video was made by Go Animator 101 Animation 2016 Studios. So without further ado, let's get this video started.
I hate this microwave.
Oh god! Do you seriously have to put ear rape? And did his face just grow? I mean, his eyes are like huge now.
It looks ugly and disgusting.
No it doesn't.
I will start the microwave without anything in it so it will fucking explode.
You watch your mouth right there.
Die, microwave, die.
Do you seriously have to talk? Oh god. Ugh, bad image in my brain right now.
Yay.
Wait a minute. I thought he was surprised like earlier. Right after he was surprised, all of a sudden he just got back to his angry self.
Hey, that microwave fucking exploded.
I think Julian might have created Red Boris, or probably Alan the cartoon maker or something.
That's it. I am calling the cops, you big eyes fat ass jerk.
I can agree with that. You are a big eyes fat ass jerk who has ugly teeth and is racist 24/7 and all that sort of shit.
What do you think I'll do next after Julian 3535 comes back from the Florida fucking Keys?
Oh god. Let me guess, to be continued on Wade?
To be continued on fucking GRRRRR.
Oh god. Are you kidding? Oh. Oh Jesus. But yeah. That was Boris blows up the microwave and gets arrested once again. So yeah. Julian, if you're watching this, thank you so much for making this video. And to all you fellow subscribers out there, if you are also watching this, leave a comment down below for what you want me to react to next. Until then, this is Brendan Barney signing off.